Hello everyone, welcome to Memes Art Studio. My name is Brenda Labataglia and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Happy National Bird Day! So today's video is going to feature the Freeze a Bird stamp set and the Bird Ballad Designer Series paper in honor of National Bird Day. We're going to get to watercolor. These are watercolor pencils and our beautiful designer series paper. Why National Bird Day? Well, because in my day job, I am gifted with this really fun calendar called National Day. And in this calendar, every single day features something. Like January 13th was Sticker Day. Who doesn't love stickers? Let's see. For those not allergic, Friday, January 24th was Peanut Butter Day. We've got a Gumdrop Day on February 15th. And then we have some more serious topics like Veterans Day, Organ Donor Day, Lincoln's birthday, things of that nature. Not all of these national days will turn into a paper crafting project, but throughout the year we're going to work to that end to find a way to incorporate Stampin' Up! Products into fun projects. So I would like to call your attention to the hostess code that you will find in the video. Be sure to make note of that when you go to place an order, because all orders from today, which is February 5th, 2020, to the end of March, for every $50 you spend, you receive a free celebration item. If you need the calendars, head on over to memesart.com. You can either download them from there or you can send me an email. You can find my email over on the blog. Again, the blog is memesart.com. So use that hostess code when you order. For doing so, you will receive a gift from me because it's my birthday month. You get the gift. For spending $50, you get the celebration item that you get to choose, and I will send you either a couple of cards or a package of embellishments as a thank you for being my customer and supporting my small business. I enjoy doing paper crafting. I enjoy making cards. So it's my goal to bring back snail mail, like bring a card to the post office with a stamp and mail it to somebody. So may seem a little crazy, but that's why I make cards. I love to share them with people. And for my customers who come to class and who order online from me, I just want to say thank you. So again, for all orders placed in February, use the hostess code that you will find in the video, meaning you have to watch it to get it, and then I will send you a free gift. All right, so you will find more inspiration at memesart.com, and if you would subscribe to my YouTube video and also share it with a friend, share it with a Stampin' friend, because they may enjoy the tutorials that you are about to view. Thanks for watching.